The 13 best fruits for weight loss. 1. Pears. Pears have a higher content of fiber than most other fruits, and they are rich in vitamin C. They are also understood to reduce your chances of developing type 2 diabetes and coronary heart diseases by lowering your cholesterol level and keeping your energy levels stable. Their high levels of fiber keep you fuller for longer, contributing to your weight loss goals. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, valuable nutrients, and low in calories. They increase your metabolic rate and combat cholesterol, hypertension, and insulin resistance. Blueberries are active fat fighters claimed in a study by the Texas Women's University. 3. Apples. Apples reduce your risk of cancer, boost your immune system, and whiten your teeth. This heart-healthy fruit is low in calories but high in fiber. And this makes apples the perfect fruit to include in your weight loss diet. Empirical evidence supports this fact. 4. Watermelon. 100 gm serving of watermelon contains just 30 calories. Eating it also ensures you remain hydrated because of its high water content, approximately 90%. This juicy fruit is also rich in the amino acid arginine, well known for its fat-burning properties. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is extremely low in calories. In fact, half a grapefruit only contains 37 calories and high enough in fiber to make you feel full. If you must grab a snack, then choose grapefruit to protect your waistline. 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranate comes filled with antioxidants and potent health effects. It is known to increase the blood flow in your body as well as reduce LDL cholesterol. Higher metabolism can increase your chances of weight loss. 7. Bananas. Bananas are a rich source of potassium and fruit that contains high amounts of antioxidants, including vitamin B6. Banana is the ideal post-workout food, because one contains just 105 calories and is high in fiber. 8. Oranges. Orange is one of the best fruits to include in your weight loss diet. This is because they are high in fiber, and you can burn more calories than you consume when eating them. Oranges are also a rich source of thiamine, vitamin C, and folate. 9. Kiwi. Kiwis are weight loss superfoods because they brim with fiber and have a wide array of nutritional and health benefits. Kiwis naturally control your hunger and aid in digestion through their high fiber content. 10. Papayas. Papaya is a perfect fruit for weight loss because it contains papain, an enzyme that boosts the digestion of food in your body. It is also rich in flavonoids, antioxidants, and vitamin C. 11. Guava. Guava is a useful weight loss fruit because it is rich in fiber, prevents constipation, and has a low glycemic index. Guava's fiber boosts the metabolic rate of the body, aiding in weight loss, and improving our bowel movements. 12. Coconut. Many people stay away from coconut when on a diet, because of the saturated fats in the fruit. If you are craving a snack, take a bite of coconut to feel fuller for longer. 13. Avocados. These green fruits are packed full of monounsaturated fats called oleic acid. These fats provide slow-burning energy for the body, and have been shown to fire up the metabolism.